Let's have a quick class for the fundamentals. Suppose you have a strategy and you are following risk reward of 1:3. 1:3. What does it mean? If you are allowing loss of 1 rupees, then for a successful trade you will earn 3 rupees. Now suppose if you took 10 trades 10 trades, out of which 3 trades are winners and 7 trades are losers, then what will be the outcome of these all 10 trades? You will earn 9 rupees for successful trades and you will lose 7 rupees for loss making trades, and net you will be earning 2 rupees. Correct? Then the next concept comes. Now suppose if we are doubling the quantity in case of winner, then 3 profitable trades, 3 profitable trades. For each successful trade we are earning 3 rupees, and now quantity is double, so we will be earning 18 rupees, but still we are losing 7 rupees. Net we will earn 11 rupees. This is the crux of any trend following strategies. Thank you.